Understanding Feeling Downhearted, a guide to emotional expressions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very expressive phrase that you might come across in English conversations: feeling downhearted. Understanding these types of expressions can greatly enhance your emotional vocabulary and help you communicate your feelings more accurately in English. So, let's get started and explore what it means to feel downhearted, how to use this phrase in your conversations, and some related expressions that might come in handy. Feeling downhearted refers to a state of being discouraged, sad, or depressed. It's a temporary emotional state that people experience when they're faced with setbacks, disappointments, or any situation that doesn't go as planned. Unlike clinical depression, feeling downhearted is often situational and can change with time and circumstances. When you say you're feeling downhearted, you're sharing that you're going through a tough emotional phase, possibly due to specific events or challenges in your life. It's a way to express vulnerability and seek understanding or support from those around you. Using feeling downhearted correctly in conversations can help you connect more deeply with others. Here are a few examples. Expressing your own feelings. I've been feeling really downhearted since I heard the news about my job application. Showing empathy to someone else. You seem a bit downhearted today. Want to talk about it? Remember, sharing your feelings or acknowledging someone else's emotions builds empathy and strengthens relationships. It's also important to listen actively when someone shares their feelings of being downhearted with you. To enrich your emotional vocabulary further, let's explore a few related expressions. Feeling blue, a common way to say you're feeling sad or depressed. Down in the dumps. Similar to feeling downhearted, this phrase expresses a deep level of sadness or depression. Heartbroken. This term is often used to describe intense emotional pain or sadness, usually resulting from a romantic disappointment or loss. Understanding these expressions and the nuances between them can help you express your emotions more precisely and understand others better. Feeling downhearted is a natural part of the human emotional experience. By learning how to express and talk about these feelings in English, you can navigate your emotions more effectively and connect with others on a deeper level. Remember, it's okay to feel downhearted at times, and sharing how you feel is a step towards feeling better. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your understanding of emotional expressions in English. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and thank you for watching.